皆さん、こんにちは。Yuki here. In this video, I'm going to go over N4 verbs with example sentences. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Alright, let's get started. The first word, 思う。思う。To think, to feel. 明日は雨だと思うよ。明日は雨だと思うよ。I think tomorrow is rainy. Right. 明日 means tomorrow. 雨だ の雨 that means rain. 雨だ here it means rainy. と思うよ。と思う that means I think. Right. So 明日は雨だと思うよ。Next example sentence. あなたはどう思いますか？あなたはどう思いますか？ What do you think? Alright. あなた you どう What 思いますか？ Think. Alright. あなたはどう思いますか？ What do you think? Next word. 降りる。降りる。To descend, to go down. 今、山を降りています。今、山を降りています。I'm currently descending the mountain. Right, 今。Now, currently, 山、mountain を降りています。descending. 今、山を降りています。Alright, mountain again. 彼はスキーで山を降りた。彼はスキーで山を降りた。He skied down the mountain. 彼は he ski ski で so ski で that means by skiing 山を the mountain 降りた descended right so ski で降りた descended the mountain with by skiing so 彼はスキーで山を降りた right next example sentence something you might hear in an animeそこから降りなさい。そこから降りなさい。Get down from there. A person could be on top of a building or something. And then people around him or her might say like, hey, that's dangerous. Get down from there. Okay? You can say, そこから降りなさい。そこから降りなさい。そこから that means from there. 降りる that means get down. Or descend. So, 降りなさい. That means get down. Alright. Next word. 折る。折る。To fold, to break something. 彼は私の鉛筆を折った。彼は私の鉛筆を折った。He broke my pencil. 彼は he私の前鉛筆鉛筆 that means pencil を折った broke bend in half OK 彼は私の鉛筆を折った Next example sentence 折り紙で鶴を折りました折り紙で鶴を折りました I made a crane with origami. Alright, so origami, origami. That means paper folding. Because ori, that word comes from oru, to fold. Origami means paper to fold. Origami de, by like using origami, tsuru. That's a crane. Tsuru o orimashita. I folded. So I made a crane with origami. Right? 折り紙で鶴を折りました。Next example sentence. 折れる。折れる。To fold or to break something. So here, 折れる that means break by itself or fold by itself. Not actively destroying something. It could be just bent by itself or break by itself. Example sentence. 足の骨が折れた。足の骨が折れた。My leg bone is broken. Right, so yeah, it's not really accusing anyone, right? It's not talking about the cause, but it's stating the fact that my leg is broken. In that case, you can say 足の骨が折れた。足の legs 骨 bone が折れた。broken or bent. Alright? Next example sentence. 心が折れた。心が折れた。My heart is broken. So here, 心が折れた. You can say that whenever you lost your motivation. Or you had a strong motivation, but something happened and you can say, 心が折れた. My motivation is gone. Or you can say, 心が折れた. Pretty simple, but useful. 心が折れた. Alright, next word. 終わる。終わる。to end. Example sentence. 会議が終わらない。会議が終わらない。The meeting doesn't end. Alright, so meeting. That's 会議。아는 가, that's the subject. 終わらない。終わらない。That means doesn't end. Because 終わる that means to end, but negative version is 終わらない。Alright, meeting doesn't end. 会議が終わらない。Next example sentence. 宿題が終わった。宿題が終わった。The homework is done. Right, so 宿題 homework が終わった。It's the past form of 終わる。So, it's done. Alright, translate these sentences into Japanese using what you learned today. Number 1, I don't think so. Number 2, please get down from the roof. Number 3, summer vacation ended. I will leave the example answers in the description. Today's lesson is over. 今日のレッスンはここで終わりです。Alright, that's it for today. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching until the end and I hope to see you in the next one. またね。